You thought the premium laptop market was stagnant, but you were wrong. Actually, you were being lied to. Last year, Dell did the unthinkable. They completely nuked their most legendary brand, the XPS. It vanished. They tried to simplify things, but instead, they alienated their entire fan base. But that disaster ends today. We are looking at the resurrection. This is the brand new 2026 Dell XPS 16 and 14, and they have finally destroyed the one feature you hated the most. But first, look at this chassis. It isn't just metal. It is a single block of milled aluminum that hides a design secret so seamless you can't even find the way inside. Most premium laptops have a visible bottom panel. This doesn't. To open it, you have to surgically remove the entire keyboard deck. It's risky, it's bold, and it feels impossibly rigid. But the real revolution isn't the metal. It's what they made invisible. Stare at this deck. Do you see the speakers? No. Because they are buried beneath the keyboard, firing up without a single grill to ruin the aesthetic. And the trackpad? It used to be a guessing game. You'd slide off the edge and lose control. Now, they've etched a tactile border into the glass. You can't see it, but your fingers know it's there. It is a subtle fix for a glaring problem, but here is the feature that proves Dell actually listened. For years, they forced a capacitive touch bar on us. No physical escape key, no function row. It was a nightmare. That nightmare is over. The physical keys are back. The escape key is real. They destroyed the futuristic touch bar to save the usability of the machine. Under the hood, things get controversial. There is no Nvidia GPU option, none. They have bet everything on Intel's new Core Ultra 300 series. And before you click away in anger, realize this. Intel claims these integrated graphics are 50% faster than Lunar Lake. They are pairing this with a Tandem OLED display. 2 layers of organic pixels stacked for brightness that rivals the sun. But the biggest secret? It's the battery. This is the first laptop in the world using silicon carbon technology with 900 ED cells. That means they crammed a massive 70 watt-hour battery into a chassis that has no business holding that much power. It is denser, lighter, and changes the physics of portable power. This is the redemption arc we didn't know we needed. Dell fixed the keys, hid the speakers, and revolutionized the battery. If you want to know which tech giants are actually listening to you and which ones are just taking your money, you need to be subscribed to Techtrove right now. Click that button.